That's hot. Operator to squadron,
Go for Talons.
we're giving you an emergency mission redirect. Repeat, proceed to primary.
One to Control, we've entered our mission window.
AGM truncheons cannot achieve necessary velocity for penetration.
Diving dead vertical at 2,070 knots will increase truncheon velocity. Bomb will successfully penetrate roof.
I like my odds.
$50 knots to release velocity. Release velocity attained.
Truncheon away.
Battle damage assessment, 100 over 100. Collateral damage, 0.